Okay, let me tell you something. Because nowadays, men is not a problem, but nowadays women have little mustache or beard, unwanted hair. I'm sorry to, it's not about like disrespecting, but it's happening nowadays because of too many makeups and lighting and this and this. So do you know, if you never know, there is a fruit called papaya, and by massaging papaya paste on your face just for 1 minute in a day help you reduce unwanted facial hair, cleaning your face pigmentation, clear your HA. Papaya have even like properties of lighting skin, so you can try that on your skin. It's not even make a problem for your skin. It's not bad.